You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those three very confusing words. Many people get them wrong, so we need to clarify things here. There are two that have the same spelling, B-A-S-S. One is pronounced bass, and that's a type of fish, a bass fish, and bass, which is a type of guitar, also the frequency in music, for example, the bass. All right. Now, the spelling, the bottom word on your screen here, B-A-S-E, is also pronounced bass, the base of a building, for example, which is the bottom. All right, bass. So, bass, a fish, the bass, guitar, and the base of a building. Bass and bass are the two different pronunciations here for three different words. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.